Hello everyone, my name is Alex and today I'll be opening the master lock number 3. It said it's hardened and yeah, okay. For my tools today I'll be using double-ended tension wrench, homemade from bandsaw blade, and my hook pick from a hacksaw blade, also homemade. Okay, so this lock is really easy to open. I wouldn't recommend this to lock anything valuable. Okay, so I insert my tension wrench like so, and then I go into my pick, and then I try to open it. And there we go. Master lock number 3 opened in front of your eyeballs. And was it fun? Okay, bye guys.